Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Upwork challenge app. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click on settings. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on notification settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just return to open video. Then you click here on email updates. When you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down, so you keep going down here. So then you come here to project recommendations for our top talent. You come here to send recommendations. If I qualify here as top Upwork challenge, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.